Hi guys, it's Monica. I'm bringing you another haul from my CVS challenge. And my CVS challenge transactions are not going anything like I planned them to. I just cannot find the product what I originally needed to do the transactions. So I'm just swinging by the wind and getting what I can at this point. So I went to CVS today to do this transaction where I got two Airwick scented oil refills, a double packs, two of them, two of the oil warmers, three of the Schick razors, two more of the hand sanitizers, and two Nature Made vitamins. The way how I worked this deal was the Airwicks for $5 each. The razors were $9.19. The hand sanitizers actually right now are on clearance already for 49 cents. And the magnesium, $5.49 for two. And the Airwick oil warmers, $1.49 each. The coupons what I used for this transaction, I used $3 off of 15 coupons. I used $4 coupons for the Schick razors. Those coupons came from, I don't remember where they came from. They came from Smart Source, I think from February 26th. I'm gonna put a description below where it came from. I had it written down, I don't see it now. Now, I also used a $3 CVS coupon for Nature Made, which came from the Heart Health brochure. I used two $1 coupons for the Airwick, and I used two coupons for the free Airwick oil warmer when you buy the Airwick. These coupons look like that. That's for this one. It's a free Airwick scented oil warmer unit when you buy your favorite Airwick scented oil refill fragrance. So when you buy this, you get this free, and then $1 off of double pack of Airwick. These coupons came from this Sunday's Smart Source. That's where I got them from. Now, one thing to know, this coupon does say free oil warmer, but the coupon is up to $1.19, and the oil warmers $1.49 at mine CVS. So technically, I paid 30 cents for them, but that's okay. Then I used two manufacturer coupons for $2 each for Nature Made vitamins, which were printable coupons, and I used $2 $2 red box machine coupon. I got the coupon printout from the red box machine for $2 off any Nature Made, and I used two $4 ECBs. So for all of that, my total out of pocket with the tax included was $1.04. And I received back a $12 ECB for the razors. Now on the second transaction, I got a bottle of vitamin water. I got one more pack of Airwick, which was $5, $1.49 for this, two more hand sanitizers, which are 49 cents each, and I got a Lumine deep cleansing peel mask. I didn't want to get those little creams because they are not, I don't like the way how they smell. I don't like the smell of them, but I really want to try this cleansing peel mask. So I wanted to get this, This one was $9.99. Now you cannot use this coupon on this product because this $3 coupon is on any Luminate Sensitive Touch cream or serum. This is neither cream or serum. That's the mask. So I did not use any coupons for this. And then for the Airwick, it's the same coupons like from transaction number 1. There is no coupons for the vitamin water, but they are on sale 5 for $5. And you get a $5 ECB when you spend $15. So I'm gonna be using vitamin waters as fillers from now on. So at some point I'm gonna get the $5 ECB. Now here's how my transaction looked here. So one vitamin water $1, Airwick $5, the hand sanitizers 49 cents each, the Luminate deep cleansing peel mask $9.99, and the Airwick oil warmer $1.49. I used a coupon for the free oil warmer, which took off $1.19, $1 off coupon for the Airwick, $3 coupon for $3 off of 15, $2 coupon for the hand sanitizers, and I used my $12 ECB from transaction number 1. I paid $0 out of pocket, and then I received a $10 ECB for a Luminate deal because at this point I did reach a $20 mark to get a $10 ECB. Then I took that $10 ECB and took that to transaction number 3. Now on this transaction, I bought 2 bottles of vitamin water, 2 more packs of the Airwick, 2 more oil warmers, 1 pack of Carefree. They only had 1 left. And instead of getting small ones, I got 2 big bottles, which is 8.75 ounces of the antibacterial hand sanitizer. These big bottles of hand sanitizer are on sale right now for 99 cents on clearance, not on sale. 99 cents each, and using a $2 off of 2 Essence of Beauty coupon from the JLo Reinventing Beauty magazine makes this free. And if you do have those coupons, I would strongly suggest to stop by CVS and see if they have any of them left, because they smell very, very good. So my transaction here looked like this. $1 each for 2 bottles of vitamin water, $1 for the Carefree, 2 $5 for the Airwick, 99 cents each for the hand sanitizers, $1.49 for each warming unit, and after all my coupons and the $10 ECB, I paid 67 cents out of pocket. Well, I could have paid less if I only got 1 bottle of water. I could have paid nothing, but I wanted to get water because I like this water, and paying 67 cents per bottle, it's not a bad deal. Now after this transaction, I really thought I'm gonna receive my cash card, my second cash card, but I am $2 away from reaching my second cash card. Now, right now, I still have my cash card from previous transactions. I haven't used it. I don't have any more ECBs. I used all of my ECBs on these transactions. The reason why I used all of the ECBs because I know when I got this, I'm gonna hit a $50 mark for the beauty club. So probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll have another $5 ECB where I'm gonna be rolling into Schick and getting more Schick razors. I have another 14 more coupons, so I need to get 14 more razors. And my original plan was to get a lot of Wulai. However, when I was thinking about the Wulai, I wasn't thinking about the Airwick. And I have a lot of laundry detergent, but I don't have a lot of air fresheners like that. So I'm gonna be getting air fresheners instead of laundry detergent. And probably within sometime this week, if I have time, I will do my stockpile video so you guys can see how much laundry detergent I actually have. Well, I think that's it. I truly hope I explained all the coupons correctly and you guys understand where they came from. And if you have any questions, like always, send me a message or comment below. Oh, and I forgot one more thing. I did went to Walgreens. You guys know that Walgreens have the M&Ms on sale for 2 for $1. The small bag of Easter M&Ms. And we have this $1 off of any 2 Mars Easter product, and M&M's is a Mars product, does not have any size restriction, so you get those M&M's for free. And they are actually very, very cute. These right here, like they have all different kind of pictures. So I did get 60 of them, and my total was absolutely zero out of pocket, not even tax, because it's food. And I still have probably about, I don't know, a lot more coupons for them. I guess probably about, yeah, probably about 60 more. So I will be getting more candy. And no, I'm not gonna eat all of that candy. All of that candy is gonna be donated to my church for Easter for the kids. Well, now definitely I'm done. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, send a message or comment below. Bye.